Hello everyone, this is teacher Susie and welcome to my class. So this video is the second part of our previous video, which is about special parallelograms, the rectangle, rhombus, and square. So we have here problems number 3 and 4. So we are going to solve these problems using the properties of special parallelograms. So let's have number 3. So we have here Beth is a rhombus. So this is rhombus Beth, B-E-T-H. So if the measure of angle HTE, so this is that angle, so that is equal to 3x minus 10. And the measure of HBE, so this is HBE, and its measure is x plus 40. So what is the measure of HTB? So HTB, so this is that angle. So we will be able to form that angle if we will write or we will draw the diagonal. So by connecting the opposite angles or the opposite vertices B and T, so we can have that diagonal, alright? And we also have the other diagonal here. But let me just draw that diagonal because we need that to be able to solve this problem. Okay? And as I mentioned a while ago, we have these two angles as our given, angle HTE and angle HBE. So how can we solve this problem? So the first thing that we need to do is we have to identify the relationship between the given angles. So if you can see, angles HTE and HBE are opposite angles. And if we're going to check the property of opposite angles here in rhombus, it says in here that this one, the opposite angles are congruent. So it means to say that the measure of angle HTE, this is this angle, is equal to the measure of its opposite angle, which is this one, which is angle HBE. Alright? So we were able to form an equation that the measure of angle HTE is equal to the measure of angle HBE. Okay? But the question is, what is the measure of HTB? Ang HTB ay nabuo dahil dito sa ating diagonal. Okay? So kung i-apply natin yung property ng rhombus na the diagonals bisect the opposite angles of a rhombus, ibig sabihin, pag sinabing bisect, hinati into two equal parts. So, ang measure ng HTB ay kalahati ng HTE. Okay? So, we can write here the formula that the measure of angle HTB, yung hinahanap, HTB ay kalahati or 1/2 ng measure ng angle or that's kalahati ng angle HTE. HTE. So, ibig sabihin, para mahanap natin yung angle HTB, kailangan muna nating mahanap ang measure ng angle HTE. Alright? And we can do that using this equation. Alright? So, using this equation, let us substitute the values. So, the measure of HTE, ito siya. So, that's 3x minus 10 is equal to the measure of HBE. Ito siya, x plus 40. So, we have to determine the value of x para masubstitute natin sa value ng HTE. Okay? Alright, so let's now solve for x. So, let us combine similar terms. So, lipat natin lahat ng may x dito. So, we will have 3x and then x ilipat, that will become minus. X is equal to 40 and then negative 10 will become plus 10. Let's continue. 3x minus x, that is equal to 2x is equal to 40 plus 10, that is equal to 50. Solve for x, so we have to divide both sides by 2. Cancel out 2, so we will have x is equal to 50 divided by 2, that is 25. So the value of x that we got is 25. So again, ang HTB ay part ng HTE. So we have to determine the value of HTE. Ito siya. Okay? And then, isubstitute natin dyan yung value ng x. So angle HTE, that is equal to 3x minus 10. Substitute the value of x, which is 25. So we will have angle HTE is equal to 3 times x, which is 25 minus 10. So we will have angle HTE is equal to 3 times 25. That is equal to 75 minus 10. So angle HTE is equal to 75 minus 10. That is equal to 65. Okay? Pero hindi pa yun ang hinahanap. Ang sabi, what is the measure of HTB? Alright? So ang HTB ay half. Okay? Ito siya. Half siya ng HTE. Alright? So therefore, itong nakuha natin na value ng HTE, i-divide natin sa 2. Okay? Sa 2. So angle HTB is equal nga raw to 1/2 of angle HTE. Alright, so we will have angle HTB is equal to kalahati ng 65 or 65 divided by 2. So we have angle HTB is equal to, so 65 divided by 2, that is equal to 32.5. Okay? And since this is an angle, the unit will be in degrees. Alright, so we were able to solve for problem number 1 using the property of a rhombus. So angle HTB, itong angle na to, that is equal to 32.5 degrees. Okay? Let's have number 4. If angle B is 2x plus 20, ito yung angle B. Angle H is 6x. This is angle H. So what is the measure of angle T? This is angle T. So as you can see, opposite ang angle B at saka angle T. Ang opposite angle sila. At sabi dito, opposite angles are congruent. So we can write that angle B is equal to angle T. Okay? So kung ano yung makuha natin measure ng angle B, yun din ang measure ng angle T. Okay? Kaya lang ang given natin ay angle B at saka angle H. This is angle B, this is angle H. So let us identify the relationship between the given angles. So angle B and angle H, kung titignan natin, they are consecutive angles. Alright? So ano nga ba ang sinasabi about consecutive angles of a parallelogram? So ang sabi dito, consecutive angles are supplementary. So when we say supplementary, pag inad daw natin yung mga angles na yon, the sum will be 180 degrees. Okay? So when we add angle B plus angle T, that is equal to 180 degrees. Alright, so let us substitute the value. So angle B is this one, that is 2x plus 20 plus angle T, or, okay, hindi nga give it, okay, it's not angle T, that's angle H. Okay, so na-overlook natin. So angle H, sila yung consecutive magkasunod na angle. Okay, so plus angle H, ito siya given. So plus 6x is equal to 180 degrees. So combine similar terms, we can combine 2x and 6x. So 2x plus 6x, that is equal to 8x is equal to 180. Lipat ang 20, so minus 20. So we will have 8x is equal to 180 minus 20. That is equal to 160. And then divide both sides by 8. Cancel out 8. So x is equal to 160 divided by 8. So ilan yan? That is equal to 20. So the value of x is 20. Okay? So hindi pa yan yung hinahanap natin. Sabi natin kanina, angle B is equal to angle T. Okay? So para makuha natin si angle T, kailangan masolve natin ang angle B. So ito yung angle B natin. So angle B is 2x plus 20. Substitute natin yung value ng x dito sa x. So angle B is equal to 2 times 20 plus 20. So we have angle B is equal to 2 times 20, that is 40 plus 20. So angle B is 40 plus 20, that is 60 degrees. Okay? So, since angle B is 60 degrees, therefore, angle T is also 60 degrees. Yan. Alright? So, we were able to solve for the missing parts of a rhombus applying the properties of a parallelogram or of a rhombus. So, a rhombus is a special parallelogram. So, I hope that you learned from this video. That will be all for today. See you on my next video. Goodbye.